Hello and welcome everyone. Myself Mijanur Rahaman, and today my topic of discussion is posterior pituitary hormone. There are two hormones present in posterior pituitary. One is antidiuretic hormone and one is oxytocin. So first of all, antidiuretic hormone or ADH or vasopressin. The source of secretion of antidiuretic hormone. The ADH or vasopressin is secreted mainly by the supraoptic nucleus of hypothalamus. It is also secreted by paraventricular nucleus in a small quantity. So in the hypothalamus, it is mainly secreted by supraoptic nucleus, and in a trace quantity, it is secreted by paraventricular nucleus. From here, this hormone is transported to posterior pituitary through the nerve fibers of hypothalamo-hypophyseal tract by means of axonic flow. The chemistry and the half-life. ADH is polypeptide containing 9 amino acids. Its half-life is about 18 to 20 minutes. Action. Antidiuretic hormone has two actions. One is retention of water and one is vasopressor action. So first of all, retention of water. Major function of ADH is retention of water by acting on kidneys. It increases the facultative reabsorption of water from distal convoluted tubule and collecting duct in the kidneys. So what it does, the major function of ADH is retention of water by acting on kidney. In the kidney, it acts on distal convoluted tubule and collecting duct and increases the facultative reabsorption of water from these two parts of the kidney. In the absence of ADH, the distal convoluted tubule and collecting duct are totally impermeable to water. So reabsorption of water does not occur in the renal tubules and dilute urine is excreted. This leads to loss of large amount of water through urine. This condition is called diabetes insipidus, and the excretion of large amount of water is called diuresis. Mode of action on renal tubules. ADH increases water reabsorption in tubular epithelial membrane by regulating the water channel proteins called aquaporins through V2 receptors. Then vasopressor action. In large amount, ADH shows vasoconstrictor action, particularly causes constriction of the arteries in all parts of the body. Due to vasoconstriction, the blood pressure increases. ADH acts on blood vessel through V1A receptor. And however, the amount of ADH required to cause the vasopressor effect is greater than the amount required to cause antidiuretic effect. Now, regulation of secretion. ADH secretion depends upon the volume of body fluid and the osmolarity of the body fluid. So, what is the regulatory portion? The regulatory condition are the volume of the body fluid and the osmolarity of the body fluid. Now, potent stimulants for ADH secretion are decrease in the extracellular fluid volume and increase in the osmolar concentration in the extracellular fluid. Now, role of osmoreceptors. Osmoreceptors are the receptors which give response to change in the osmolar concentration of the blood. These receptors are situated in the hypothalamus near supraoptic and paraventricular nuclei. Whenever osmolar concentration of blood increases, the osmoreceptors are activated. In turn, the osmoreceptors stimulate the supraoptic and paraventricular nuclei, which send motor impulse to posterior pituitary through the nerve fibers and cause release of ADH. ADH causes reabsorption of water from the renal tubules. This increases the extracellular fluid volume and restores the normal osmolarity. So, what is the role of osmoreceptors? Osmoreceptors are the receptors which give response to change in the osmolar concentration of the blood. Whenever these receptors are situated in the hypothalamus near the supraoptic or paraventricular nuclei, they get the signals, and when osmolar concentration of blood increases, the osmoreceptors are activated. Then osmoreceptors stimulate the supraoptic and paraventricular nuclei to send motor impulse to posterior pituitary through the nerve fibers and cause release of ADH. ADH causes reabsorption of water from the renal tubules. This increases extracellular fluid volume and restores the normal osmolarity. So this is for now. Thank you.